Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm here with the Girls Just Want to Have Fun collab. So we're going to make a summer project every weekend in July, and make sure that you visit all the channels, YouTubers, crafters listed below, and give them a little bit of love. So my project that I'm making today, or that I'm going to show today, is a popsicle tag flip mini album. So this was inspired by Happy Mail Queen, who had made a popsicle album. So I really loved hers and how it came out. She had used Bow Bunny paper, and I'm using, I think it's Porific, but it's a summer themed paper 6x6 from Recollections from Michaels. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to make the shape of the popsicle, I actually found a tag on my Cricut, and the tag on my Cricut had this piece on the top that had the scalloped edge. All I did was ungroup it and take that piece and weld it to the bottom so that I can get this type of edge on the bottom. And then I just looked through all my paper pads until I found one with a wood grain, and I just cut a strip about 1.5 inches wide and then long enough to go into my popsicle, and then I just used my corner rounder to round the edges, and that's it. Super simple. So the front is got a doily that's in my stash, and then this piece is actually from the Dear Lizzie Stargazer collection. I just saved it for this album. And then some of them actually have pictures. I did start to put pictures in this album, but we're only halfway through summer, so I've got some time. So this side, I went ahead and this is ephemera from My Mind's Eye, and then a little picture here. And then Justin, like the Happy Mail Queen's album, she used acetate, which I also had. And I think she used the 12x12 acetate, but I had the 6x6. So that's what I used, acetate pad. And you can see a picture here. And a picture also on the other side. And then this side right here. And so this is kind of to look like cherries. That's just from my stash, the buttons. And then this side, I haven't done this side yet. So just I got a little paper clip. So it's just a fold out. And I haven't had a chance to do pictures and everything for that, because actually my printer ran out of ink. So. And then I've got this one with a little popsicle girl. And this was the image that inspired the Happy Mail Queen, which I happen to have this little popsicle image from CC Designs. So very cute, a little popsicle paper. And then this side right here, I've got a pineapple from a new set that I just got. Can't wait to make a card out of it. I wonder if I can find it. It's this set right here. Super cute. This is from Your Next Stamp. I think I hold that. And then I've got a couple of tags in here, which I haven't put anything on the tags yet. But I made a little pocket. So I've got a little tag there. If you didn't see, there's a picture on this. Oh, I think I'm on this side. Oh. Okay, so this side, I've got another acetate piece with pictures on both sides. And then here I've got this, I don't know if this is going to last very long, but this is a little flamingo that I had gotten from Paper Source. I have room for a picture. And then I've got my little watermelon on that side, which I really like. That side's very cute. This paper is super cute. And then this side, I've got a camera from my stash, little die cut ephemera piece. And then I've left this open so I can put a good size picture there. And then this side, I actually have a photo. You Are My Sunshine. So that's from my stash somewhere. I got a lot of ephemera everywhere. And then this side, I have a little shaker. I use the Target Dollar Spot shaker pocket. And then I just did that. And then here is the back. And I've left this open so I can put a picture here. So it's going to actually be filled with pictures. So that's exciting. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with the Heart.